Hey YouTube, it's Caro. I am about 7 weeks post-op from top surgery, and I'm just going to tell you folks a little bit about my experiences so far in healing, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Although if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you already know what it looks like. So the first week I was, completely bedridden. I fucking had everything done for me. My mom was taking care of me, and I didn't have to do anything. And then the second week, I went straight back to my apartment. It was kind of just me, and I had some friends coming over a little bit, but I was really independent, and I think that might have been a shitty idea for me, because I was on painkillers, and I thought that it was gonna be okay if I went to the grocery store, or went around town to run errands and shit. It was sketchy. I shouldn't have done that. Let's see. After the second week, I went back to work, which I thought it was gonna be totally fine, because at the time I worked in a really mellow boutique where you're not doing a lot of physical labor, but being on my feet that much, and just doing what I had to do. They made modifications for me, but sorry, but it still was a little much, and I think I shouldn't have gone back that soon. So I had 2 weeks left at that job, taking me to 1 month post-op. I worked 5 days a week at both of those jobs, and then I went straight into straight into my newest job after my last day. So I ended up working way more days in a row than I initially intended. And my new job is a lot more physically demanding, a lot more, and it's fast paced. And so I worked there for a little bit, and then I had sudden onset pain and swelling that was really intense, and I just couldn't do it. And so my surgeon was on vacation or something like that, and so I went to the emergency room, and I was scared it was gonna be hematomas or something. So they did an ultrasound. They pumped me full of drugs. They gave me an ultrasound on my chest, and there wasn't any fluid buildup. It wasn't hematomas, but they said it could have been an infection. So they prescribed me antibiotics and more pain meds and 3 days bed rest off of work. So I did those things, felt significantly better. I've just been icing my chest so much, and when I went back to work, I'm able to work a little bit slower. It's still it got better, and then I went dancing 2 nights ago, and now I'm sore again, but I'm okay. It's not as bad as it was the first time. So yeah, I'm healing up pretty well. I will show you my chest in a second. I've been using the silicone scar sheets across my incisions, just little thin ones. So half of my scars are covered. I have to put the new ones on after this, but I'm just gonna show you that. Ugh. Cool. So this is what it looks like. This is what my scars look like. And once again, it was Dr. Yokoo in Richmond, California. She's a Kaiser surgeon. And I'm overall really happy with how everything worked out. I feel I got to keep my nipples. I have permanent hard nipples, which kind of is fun, but kind of is also a little bit awkward because anything I wear is boom. Oh, hold on 1 second. Let me get adjusted. No, I'm not. Let's see. I'll talk about my testosterone progress. I feel my recovery kind of hindered my progress a little bit in other ways, not being able to go to the gym, not being able to work out. I still can't work out But I'm getting there, like 2 weeks, I think, and I can start working out again, like low key. But yeah, I feel like not going to the gym has like really kind of like set me back a little bit, because I was kind of getting big. I was kind of getting like bulky, and it was like really exciting for me. And now I'm not seeing as many changes, like in this period of time. I'm like 7.5 months on T, I think. It's something close to that. I'm past 7. Um, I think the biggest thing is just increasing hair everywhere. Like my butt's super hairy, the back of my thighs, like all over my legs. My belly's getting hairy. I shaved like let's see, I shaved like a couple weeks ago, and then I just shaved my mustache so it's not there. And then just, continuing to get like adult acne, like all over my chin. I wish going into transition, somebody would have told me that I need to get my fucking skin care regimen down. But right now I'm trying my best to fight it. I use all Aesop products. I use a cleanser, a toner, and then a moisturizer. And then 2 days a week I'll do face masks. 2 days a week I'll exfoliate, and then I use like a different product on like every other day. But that's the best I can do right now. It's like, it's better than it could be. Like, I know it could be a lot worse if I was, doing different things with my skin. But yeah, I think that's my update. I changed my Instagram handle. It's xpowerbottomx. So if you need to follow me, you can find me there. And I don't know when the next time I'll actually get around to making a video is, but I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.